Hello, I am Dr. Kavita Tote, Assistant Professor of Adhyapak Mahavidyalaya, Vadgaon. Students, today we are going to learn about some skills that are useful for your professional and personal life. Skills are important in day-to-day life. So, what are skills that are most important to you? Today, we are going to understand the importance of some skills. In today's video, we will understand the meaning of soft skills, the list of soft skills and the importance of soft skills. So, let's get started. And first understand what is the meaning of soft skill. Soft skills are character traits and interpersonal skills that characterize a person's relationships with other people in the workplace. Soft skills are the skills that enable you to fit in a workplace. That includes your personality, attitude, flexibility, motivation, and manners. The word skill sheds light on practical work. Skill is the ability to master the controlled action within oneself. Let us understand which skills are included in soft skills. First is communication, second problem solving, third creativity, fourth adaptability, fifth self motivation, sixth leadership, 7 teamwork, 8 flexibility, 9 time management, and 10th soft skill is stress management. All these skills are soft skill. Let us now understand each of the soft skill in detail. First soft skill is communication skill. Communication soft skill are the tools you use in clearly and effectively converse with others, set expectations and work with others on projects. Without communication, it is difficult to complete the task properly. Good communication is important for your every job. Not only sound communication, but his alertness and dedication too are most required. Related communication skills are active listening, confidence, conflict resolution, organization, verbal and non-verbal skill. Second soft skill is problem solving. Problem solving skills are traits that enable you to do that. While problem solving skills are valued by employers, they are also highly useful in other areas of life, like relationship buildings and day-to-day decision making. Problems that you encounter while working and solving them can make you better at dealing with that problem. Related skills are creativity, research, risk management, and teamwork. Third soft skill is creativity. Creativity is a broad ability incorporating many different skill sets, including other soft skills and technical skills. It requires an openness to innovation and mental flexibility. In many sectors, creativity techniques are seen as a means to an end and are designed to achieve better results. Creativity enables you to solve complex problems or find interesting ways to get to work. Related skills are curiosity, learning from others, open mindedness, and taking calculated risk. Fourth soft skill is adaptability. Employees who are capable of adapting to new situations and ways of working are valuable in many jobs and industries. Being adaptable is also important because it showcases your ability to be resourceful, displays your leadership skills, determination, analytical skills, and more. These are valuable qualities that an employer looks for in an employee. Related skills are consistency, organization, optimism, and flexibility. Fifth soft skill is self motivation. Not only does it demonstrate reliability and commitment, but it also shows that you can fit efficiently into an organizational structure without the need for constant supervision. The ability to motivate yourself. Self motivation is an important skill. Self motivation drives people to keep going even in the face of setbacks, to take up opportunities, and to show commitment to what they want to achieve. Related skills are positivity, ambition, commitment, and initiative. Sixth soft skill is leadership. Those with strong leadership skills will have the ability to inspire others and lead teams to success. This is why it is a particularly sought after skill. Soft skills are important for leadership because they include effective communication tools with team members, decision making about processes, and managing an organized team. Additionally, the leadership ability to strategize, listen to feedback, and incorporate their team's ideas and contributions. Related skills are negotiating, building morale, maintaining relationships, team development, innovation, and self development. Seventh soft skill is teamwork. Working in a team towards a common goal requires the intuition and interpersonal to know when to be a leader and when to be a listener. Good team players are perceptive as well as receptive to the needs and responsibilities of others. Good teamwork means a synergetic way of working with each person committed and working towards a shared goal. Related skills are communication, emotional intelligence, stress management, empathy, impartiality, and negotiation. Eighth soft skill is flexibility. Flexibility is an important soft skill since it demonstrates an ability and willingness to embrace new tasks and new challenges calmly. Flexible employers are willing to help out where needed extra responsibilities and can adapt quickly when plans change. The ability to think flexibly helps people to get along with others, helps group to be more effective, and help people solve problems and or try new ways of doing things. Related skills are feedback effectively, dealing positively with praise, setbacks, and criticism. Ninth soft skill is time management. Managing your time efficiently is essential for the workplace. In other words, you should know how to prioritize and allocate tasks as well as be able to delegate assignments to others when needed. It is important to increase your productivity, explore more opportunities, make better decisions, prioritize important things, say goodbye to stress, boost your free time, drive the road to success. Related skills are prioritize, create time logs on regular basis, focus on one thing at a time, review your progress, enjoy your work, make key tasks your habits. 10th soft skill is stress management. Describe an individual's ability to understand the causes and feelings of tension or anxiety. Stress is something that happens to almost every person from time to time. It is important to learn to recognize your stress triggers and find effective ways to manage your stress to avoid it negatively affecting your life or even making you unwell. First is define stress. Second is taking control, means avoiding and managing stress. Third is workplace stress. And fourth is relaxation techniques. Related skills are practice mindfulness, organize yourself, create an exercise regimen, assert yourself, and listen to music. Let us now understand how to improve soft skills. Pick a soft skill you want to improve and practice it constantly. Set milestone goals to improve soft skills. Find resources to help you learn. Be open to feedback. Communicate often. Emphasize teamwork. Build positive relationships. Set outside of your comfort zone. Get ready to learn. Adapt to workplace changes and observe others. Importance of soft skills. The importance of soft skills is not limited to a specific area. There is a set of different abilities that can be used in every aspect of people's life. This makes us feel friendly and positive. It is used to help you effectively cope with the challenges of business and daily life. Soft skills are one of the major differences in the 21st century. Makes your professional life and personal life a success. Most interactions with other people require some level of soft skills. At your workplace, negotiating to win a new contract, presenting your new idea to colleagues, networking for a new job. We use soft skills every day at work, and developing these soft skills will help you win more your career progression. Career progression and promotion. The modern workplace is interpersonal. As per demand, the future workplace will rely on soft skill. Skills are important in every person's life at every stage of life. Hard skills are as necessary as soft skills. Some skills are innate, some skills you have to acquire. It is necessary to understand soft skills and change oneself accordingly. Soft skills play an important role in getting you through this important phase of your progress. Today's video is about the soft skill that everyone needs in their life. Through this video, you have understand which soft skills are important for your personal and professional life. So I think you must have understood importance of soft skill. Like and share video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you.